Lesson 4, the middle row. Our cube should look like this now. We have our white side complete. This lesson, we're going to learn to complete the middle row so it looks like this. We're going to use a new algorithm, but good news, we only have one algorithm for the right and one algorithm for the left for the whole lesson. It might be easier if you watch this video through first without touching your cube so you can get an understanding. And then after, you can watch the video again with your cube or just follow the guide. Let's get going.
Position, yellow center on top, sides to move, face, top, left, right.
What we want to find first is an edge piece on the top row without a yellow piece in it. This piece here has a yellow piece. This piece here has a yellow piece. This piece doesn't, so it's red and green. What we want to do is line the green up with the green center. So we just move the top until it lines up with the green center. Now, this piece is red. Here's the red side. What we want to do is move it here so it's in the middle and lines up with the red and the green. But if we do that, it messes up our white. So we'll turn it back for now. This is where we use our next algorithm. So what we want to do first is it's going in here between the red and the green. So it's going from right to left. So our first move is to move the top out of the way. Here it is here. Then we put left up, we bring the top back, the left down, and as you can see, we've got the white corner piece here with the two greens and the two reds lined up. We move the top round, we then turn the face, which brings the two white ones here, and then we just pop the top back so they're lined up, and then we turn the face back. So as you can see, it now matches up with the red and the green and the green, and our white side is not messed up. Okay, so this may seem a little complicated. Once you've done it a few times, you'll get it, no problem. Let's run through that again, but with the algorithm. Remember, we are moving this piece to the left, so we follow this algorithm. Top, anti-clockwise. Left, up, top, clockwise, left, down, top, clockwise, face, clockwise, top, anti-clockwise, face, anti-clockwise. Now we need to find another edge piece without yellow in it. This one here has yellow. This one doesn't. This is green and orange. So we need to line this up with the green first. Just turn the top. Here we are. So because it's orange, we can see the orange is here. So we know that this time round, we're actually going from left to right. So we need to do the right algorithm. So we go top, clockwise, right, up, top, anti-clockwise, right, down, top, anti-clockwise, face, anti-clockwise, top, clockwise, face, clockwise. And as you can see, the green and the orange are now in the right position, matching up to the centerpiece, and the white has not been affected. Okay, so let's find the next one. There's yellow in this one. Here's one. This one is blue and orange. So let's turn the top to match up with the blue. We know that it's orange is this side, so it's going to go to the left. So we follow the left algorithm. Top, anti-clockwise, left, up, top, clockwise, left, down, top, clockwise, face, clockwise, top, anti-clockwise, face, anti-clockwise. And we can see that the blue matches up with the blue and the oranges match up, and the white is still complete. So one left now. Let's try and find it. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. And it's not this one. It's actually already on the middle row, but it's the wrong way round. All we need to do here is transfer this one into here. So then it releases this onto the top row, and we can use that same algorithm to get it in the right space. So as it's to the right, we use the right algorithm. So it's top clockwise, right up, top anti-clockwise, right down, top anti-clockwise, face anti-clockwise, top clockwise, face clockwise. See, what we've done is we put this piece in here now, and if we turn the cube round, we'll find the piece that was in the middle row before is now on the top. So we do as we did before, we turn it round until it lines up with the blue, red on top, so we know that it's going to the right, so we use the right algorithm. Top clockwise, right up, top anti-clockwise, right down, top anti-clockwise, face anti-clockwise, top clockwise, face clockwise. And as you can see, the white is where it needs to be, and if we turn it round, all of them, the middle row is now complete. You can practice this lesson without having to start from the beginning. If you do either of the right or the left algorithm, it will put the yellow edge into the middle layer like we did earlier, and you can practice it again. And when you're ready, we'll see you for lesson number 5.